Let's look at areas of circles and sectors. The area of a circle is pi r squared, where r is the radius. So if we want to find the area of this circle here, we're told the diameter is 20. To find the radius, you just divide the diameter in half. So 10 would be our radius. And then we just plug it into the area formula. So we have area equals pi r squared, so 10 squared. And that gives us 100 times pi, or pi times 100. So if we use our calculator and use the pi button, we get 314.15926. And let's just round that to one decimal place. So the area is 314.2 units squared. Okay, this time they give us the circle's area, it's 95 inches squared, and they want us to find the radius of that circle. Again, we can use this area formula, and we're going to plug 95 in for the area. So let's see. I'm going to bring this example up here. So we have 95 in for the area, that equals pi r squared, and we're looking for r. So to get r by itself, we divide both sides by pi. Those cancel, so we have 95 pi is equal to r squared. To find just r, we take the square root of both sides. So r will equal whatever this decimal is in our calculator. So square root 95 divided by pi. Make sure that you put both the 95 and the pi inside the square root, or else you'll get a different answer. So that gives me 5.499, so about 5.5 inches for our radius. Alright, let's look at sectors. So a sector of a circle is just a region of a circle bounded by a central angle and its intercepted arc. So a central angle would be like x right here, and the intercepted arc would be the outside around the circle of this little gray area, and A is the sector. So a sector is just kind of like a piece of the pie or a slice of pizza. It's just a piece of the circle. And the area for that sector is pi r squared x, where x is that angle, divided by 360 degrees. So if we're given a circular pie with a diameter of 12 inches, and we cut it into 8 slices, what's the area of one slice to the nearest hundredth? Alright, so let's label what we have. The diameter is 12, so to find the radius r, we just cut that in half. So the radius will be half of 12, which is 6. We're cutting the pizza into 8 congruent slices. So remember, a full circle's measure of degrees is 360, and 1/8 of a slice will just be an eighth of that 360. So this little angle right here is going to be 360 divided by 8. And that is 45 degrees. So x, our central angle, is 45. That was equal to 45. Okay, now we should be able to plug it into our formula. So the area of the single slice of pizza is pi r squared, so 6 squared, times x, or 45, divided by 360. Alright, so I'm just going to plug that all in at once. Pi times 6 squared times 45 all over 360. I got 14.137. So nearest hundredth, that would be 14.13, or no, 14. And inches was our unit, so we're going to have inches squared for our area. And here I've broken this down into the little parts if you wanted to multiply them out and then divide instead of putting this all into your calculator at once. You get 4.5 times pi, and that also gives you 14.14 inches squared. Alright, so to review, the area of a circle is pi r squared. The area of a sector is pi r squared times the angle x all divided by 360.